Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell because we are here at Dukes for the 50th anniversary weekend. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Alright everybody, this weekend is Dukes Drive-In 50th anniversary. If you can't make it here, which you should, at least you can check this out. Here's a preview of what's to come. Let's check these cars out. Malibu, Intimidator SS, a couple of Fox Body Mustangs. All weekend, 50th anniversary at Dukes. You're not going to want to miss this, but at least you can have a preview here.
Here, we'll get a picture of this car over here.
Buick Regal, T-Type, weld wheels. Here's another weld wheeled car, Chevrolet 396. That's awesome. 56 Chevy? I think so. Those look like welds as well. 3 with welds. And something for everyone. Maybe not your cup of tea, but someone might like this. Chevelle SS. But a TPI. That's interesting. GMC. Ooh, I like this. What's that, a 56 maybe? I don't know. You tell me. It's a nice pickup truck. It says V8. I'll assume so. Ooh, here's a gasser. Look at that. Misbehaving. Let's get a closer look under this hood. Tunnel ram. Tilt front end. Looks like it's fiberglass. That's the way they wear. Ooh, there's a first gen Nova. I like it. Looks clean. El Camino SS. We're at Dukes in Mokina, Illinois. Cadillac CT5. Why is CT5 here? Because it's the CT5E. It's cool. I like it. And here's more my speed. 7th gen Z51 Corvette 1LT with the Z rims. Gray over black. Mustang convertible 5.0. 5-point slow as some people call them. To each his own. Ford Galaxy 500 with a 427 4-speed. Oh boy. That's cool. Let's get a look at this 71 Buick GS. Ooh, what did we hear? What did we miss? Let's check it out. That's a C8Z. Pontiac Trans Am. Red over black. Ram Air. Dodge Challenger RT Hemi, blue over black. Hot rod with a big engine, black over red. Big meats, gotta love it. S10 Extreme, something for everybody here, folks. Some people like these. Ooh, look at that. Pontiac convertible, blue over white. That's nice. Harley Davidson at a car show? Why not? Right in front of a 1995 Corvette C4. Saw blades, black interior, I like it. A 1992 Ford F-150 XLT pickup truck. Gotta love it. Cobra replica. That's cool. Let's get a closer look. You like it? I like it. It looks good. And here's my own 99 C5. Mild custom. I like it. I hope you like it too. Seen plenty of it on the channel if you're a regular here. SS. Chevelle. Look at that. And this car, I have a short of this one. This is obnoxious, and trust me, that sounds obnoxious in a really good way. Of course. Box body Mustang. Highly modified. Those tires don't stand a chance. And there's no better way to end this video than with the C5 Corvette. This is awesome. C6 Grand Sport rims. So please smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell. Duke's 50th anniversary all weekend. Stay tuned. This is Corvette Dan. Thank you.